why I'm teaching this course and how you can benefit big time. The first issue I would like to address are the biggest benefits that you can get, even as a newbie, by publishing your own products. And the whole purpose of this course is to give you the confidence and freedom to go out there and to start publishing your own products, even if the gurus and the experts have said that you don't have the skills required to do so. But first, let's talk about the benefits. So what are the biggest benefits that you get by creating your own products? And which of these benefits is the single most important? Is the prestige that you get the most important? Or maybe it's the authority and rapport that you build with your audience. Or maybe it's the list of buyers that you can build any type of business around. Or maybe you are merely a bounty hunter and you are publishing just for the money. So maybe profit is your motivating factor for creating lots and lots of products. There's nothing wrong with that. Remember that if you don't make money, you will go out of business. And even if your intention is to help somebody, maybe you want to help the world. But what's going to happen if you never make any sales? You're going to go out of business, and then you will not be able to help a single person. So ask yourself why you want to create products. For me, the most important reason to build my own products is so that I have something to promote to my audience. So I can help people, help society, while at the same time developing awesome relationships that can last a lifetime. Because you realize by now that most successful information marketers publish lots of products. Look at Udemy, look at Amazon Kindle, look at ClickBank, look at JVZoo. There are gobs and gobs and gobs of product vendors creating successful products every single day. But here's the problem. You probably do not have the confidence to start creating information products. And it's not your fault. A lot of experts and amateurs will tell you that you're not skilled enough to create your own products, that you're not experienced enough, that you're not technical enough, or maybe you just don't have enough skills. I think these reasons are totally abhorrent, and to be brutally honest, they are dead wrong, and they will kill your business before you have the chance to launch your first product. So those negative reasons are dangerous. Because if you believe that you can't create your first product, then how are you going to build an audience? How are you going to establish any authority or any prestige? And that is why I'm creating this course. That's why I'm teaching this course. And that's why I believe that you can benefit hand over fist. Because I think that product creation has the highest chance of success and the lowest risk of failure. Because think about it, what if you create products and then no one ever buys them? Are your feelings going to be hurt? Is it going to be the worst thing in the world? I say absolutely not. Because you can leverage those products maybe in your future promotions. Maybe the next product you promote, you give that product away as a free bonus. And think about this. Will your new products be easier or harder to sell if you're giving away some of your previously created products as a bonus? And the benefits of this stack up. So you can build an audience, build rapport, build authority. So even if you fail dismally, you will still benefit from the enriching experience. So So do not wait for yourself to be perfect. I'm not perfect, as you can see. I'm stuttering over my words. So if I can do it, you can do it. You have what it takes right now to start publishing your own products. I'm going to prove it to you. Because maybe you're wondering why I have what it takes to teach you. Well, I'm somebody who started publishing my own products with absolutely zero experience. And now I have many thousands of students on record from over 100 countries. I also have a raving email list with thousands of subscribers who open and click my emails nearly every single day. It all started because I had the courage to create my first product. Now I create products all of the time. It's something that I love doing. It's my passion in life to create information products and to help as many people as I possibly can. That's why you're going to benefit tremendously from this training. So you can finally have the freedom that's only possible when you have the confidence and know-how to create your own products consistently and reliably, and these methods work even if you're not experienced. So if this sounds good to you, then I shall see you in the next lecture. Create a list of something.